In this video, I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for Fibe, which was formerly known as EarlySalary. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser here, and now in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in promo codes for Fibe. And now, as you can see, I'm inside Google search results, so I've got 50% off EarlySalary top promo codes, which is Fibe, because Fibe changed their name recently from EarlySalary. So if I scroll down, you got all these third-party sites offering these promo code deals. So the one I like to use for this site is from Worth the Penny, so 50% off EarlySalary top promo codes. So now, as you can see, today's best offer here, I'm going to click into it. If I go back, so you got 50% off, so processing fee at Fibe up to 50% off. So I'm going to click into that. As you can see, 86 people used it with a 90% success rate. And now simply click on processing fee and then copy this code. And now paste this code at the checkout section of Fibe to enjoy your 50% off at Fibe.